before on Harmony of the Seas. It's a port side ocean view balcony room. One thing that we've noticed on Royal is the doors open out instead of into the room, so it gives you that extra space in the room. So as you come in, you have your light switch, which you need a key card. We just use our Publix card with the magnetic stripe, and it'll keep the lights on, anything charging, and the plugs and stuff like that. So right to the left, you have your standard bathroom, light switch on the outside, and just typical cruise bathroom. You have your shower, door opens out. It's a pretty decent sized shower, plenty of room to do your business. You have 3 shelves. It's also an outlet there to plug like a electric shaver or something like that in. Typical sink, your towels and whatnot. And then you have 2 drawers on the bottom here. And then you have your little shelves, your safe, works off a numeric key code. You can hang stuff in here. And then you've got a little bedside table with the phone. There is no USB here, unless it's one on the phone. There's no outlet under the table. We had heard there might be. You got your standard, 2 twins made into a king. Here's some information they put on the bed to let you know about welcome aboard, and if you want to press your clothes for like formal night or whatever, 24 hours advance. So this being the first night, if we want to have our clothes pressed, we need to get it out today so we have it in time by tomorrow. And a pretty nice sized TV. I forgot to show you. So this is a balcony cabin with an adjoining room. So if you or family or friends book side by side in this cabin, you could open the door and be able to visit without having to go out in the hall. Nice sized TV. You have a US power outlet on this side of the bed. Again, you have a little thing there. There's no USB or power under there. Light switch that controls the cabin lighting. And then you have another full length closet you can hang additional clothes in, or you can pull this down and hang like pants or something like that. Comes with a nice couch, and as you can see, our backpacks were tagged and bagged. We had the key, so with the key comes priority embarkation and lunch and MDR with the CHOPS menu. And one of the benefits of the key is to take your carry-on stuff. You check it in when you go in the dining room, and they have it delivered to your room so you don't have to carry it around. By the time we finished eating, rooms were ready, so we were able to come straight up to the room. So over here you have a vanity seating area. They give you some masks, tell you an extension to call if you feel sick or anything, hand sanitizer, your cruise compass for today, Voom surf information, excursion information. Got a nice sized mirror. You have some more drawers over here with the dryer, and just extra space to put your stuff. Another drawer here, and then you have your mini fridge in here. And what's neat about this is you can actually lock it just like your safe. So if you had children and you had alcohol in here, you could lock it from somebody and they couldn't get in it without the code. Hadn't seen that before on any of our ships. And then we have our balcony. So you got a pretty nice space here. We got a chair, a little table, and another chair with a little ottoman. And here's our view of Port Canaveral. So all in all, it's a very nice room. Nice first impression of Royal Caribbean. Have a great day.